Today we're removing the stereo from a 2013 Nissan Sentra. We're going to have this in the shop because of the auxiliary jack is not working properly here, so we're going to see what we can do about taking care of that. We're going to start with our pry bar and gently pry the trim panel from around the car stereo. This panel releases with pry pressure. We're going to work up one side, across the bottom, this may look much quicker when it's on the cutting table. We got one clip holding us up here. And there we go. There are two little openings on each side here, and when the panel comes forward you have little hooks, so that it has to unhook on both sides here to release the panel. This is going to give access to 4 mounting screws for the car stereo, 2 on the right side here, one at the right bottom, one at the right top. We're going to repeat this for the left side here as well. We have 2 mounting screws here on the left, one on the bottom, and the last remaining screw here at the top. Sound effects seem a little off. We got everybody going by here today. With these screws removed, we can pull the car stereo from the dash. It will pull forward. There are several connectors here. They all have triggers on them that you squeeze down into them to release. The antenna connectors on the side. Again, these connectors, they're all keyed so they fit back to one spot. The trigger is here and you squeeze that down into the connector. It releases the lock. And repeat this for all 3 connectors. The antenna has the little lock here on the side that you push in to release. This is how you remove the stereo from a 2013 Nissan Sentra. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.